Welcome back to another video, and today's video is going to be very simple. It's going to be short, going to be to the point, you know, so thanks for watching. We're going to be putting this Purator air filter into its Trans Am because this is a used, new to us Trans Am, ain't it, Shane? And if you've been a subscriber, or you've been just watching my videos just every now and again, you know that we have been doing some maintenance and stuff because it had no maintenance and it had some issues. So let's just change this air filter. To change this air filter, you need to undo this clamp. It's a single way. It's also I think that's a, what's that, 8mm maybe? 8 millimeters. You undo it here and this will pull up. Then you undo it on this back rubber thing and you can pull this out. Now before you pull it out, be sure to unplug this. Unplug the mass airflow sensor, and this hose just unplugs too. This is a speed density, I do believe. Or you can just flip it up like Shane did. Now the airbox, Shane, how's that come out? Just straight up? Mm-hmm. Just a pack and go? How's the air filter look in it?
I don't have one.
Well, it's a very clean air filter. Very clean. You sure this is the right air filter? Supposed to be? Mm-hmm. Didn't check. Now this air filter was picked up from Advance Auto. Advance Auto, if you're watching, we buy a lot of your stuff. You should be sponsoring some of this. Just saying. And we do get a little discount though. You know, that's a pretty good sponsor, ain't it? Yeah. But, you know, we could use a free air filter. I think I installed that right. Then you put your clips back on it. Oh, I did not install that right. Help! I'm trying to do this one-handed. Okay. There we go. I lost the clip, Shane.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck.
That's bad.
That's bad. It went somewhere down there. I thought the clip was... Be careful, don't lose your clip. You can put it on this first. It seems to go better if you put it on that end first, don't it? Mm-hmm. Yep. See? And then you snap your clips. Now we gotta go find the other one, Shane. It went somewhere down through here in your air scoopy vents. We are fighting to get the clip out. Here it is. Can you see it down in there? Just listen. Yeah. Oh, it moved, Shane. This ain't working too good, Shane. I said this ain't working too good. Can you hit that plastic underneath? It's just on the air down. Right here. So let's be honest. That was a pain, wasn't it, Shane, to get that clip? Mm-hmm. Everything is together and snaps. Now it installs the same way it came off. It's very simple to install. It's got a little tab it sets down in to center it up. And now this is the LT1 car. It's not called an ET1. What's an ET1? Electric? Terrain vehicle? I don't know. Electric terrain number 1. ET1. No, LT1. Throttle body does need cleaned. But how many miles on this, Shane? The car has 226,000, so a little maintenance is scheduled. You know, is due. But this Mazda has 200 and some thousand miles on it too. If you ain't seen it in previous videos, I got a can of Bellman's B12 in the gas tank with about 4 gallons. So Bellman's B12, post to treat 21 gallons, a can of it. So I just, it's kind of witch. So I'm running that cleaner extra strong to this little Mazda because you know it's never had its injectors and its valves and stuff took care of. This LT1 here probably could use a cleaner run through it. A Bellman B12 too, because you know it was setting when we got it and injectors might be a little gunked up. I also need fuel filters for both cars, don't we, Shane? Mm-hmm. Oh, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Hit a like, you know, leave a comment. And check the eBay store out. In the description below might be something you want to buy. You know, we sell car parts on there, video games, a little bit of everything.